Hello everyone and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So in this video, I'm going to be quickly taking you through what next after your JAMB results. Okay, I've done this video and I'm going to be doing it again to explain better again and quickly. Now, the first thing after your JAMB result, analyze your JAMB score. That is the first thing. Are you with me? Is it low or is it high? Are you with me? If it is low, then let's say you want to go for medicine, you want to go for these top courses, law, engineering, and you didn't get up to maybe 250 at least, or maybe you didn't get up to maybe 250, at least from 240 250, and you are not going for private school, you are not going for I don't know if some state school will take you at that particular score. Okay, but don't worry, I'm going to be doing cutoff mark for several schools and the department. But all those top courses, you can't carry 250 and say you want to go for medicine in a federal university. Yes, you can go to a private university. Okay, you have chances of gaining admission with a 250 into medicine in a private university. But for federal university, you should know it's a no-go area. Okay, even some state university, 250 you won't even enter. Do you get my point? So you analyze your score. Do you still want to stick with that particular course, the medicine or which high, those departments that have high scores? Do you want to stick to it? If you scored like 200 below, you get my point, or maybe from 230 below, and is those courses you are going for, you should know that you have to resit. Are you with me? So your mind should be, okay, I will do better. I will start preparing for 2026 JAMB. That's if it is that course you want to go, it must be that course. But if you know that it is not the course that you want to, then you can now do change of course. You want to just enter school and maybe still prepare for JAMB, then do change of course or change of institution that will take that particular score. Or if it's that same school you want to go into, you want to enter, you can now do change of what course in that school. So you look for courses that would allow you gain admission with that particular score in that school. So you need to really find out more about that school. And I have been working on something here. Okay, if you go to DTW tutorial site, when you come to this search bar here, you can search for your school and read on it. You will see the cutoff mark of departments in that school. Can you see we've been doing, look at Covenant, that's what we've been posting, schools now. That's what. So go and just search and you will see the cutoff mark for your school and the cutoff mark of each department in the school. Okay, so you have to analyze it. If your JAMB score is high, good. The next thing you have to start thinking about is uploading your O-level results. So there are two things here to analyze your JAMB score: low, high. Low, do you still want to just do another course? You do change of course and institution. It is not out yet. Okay, but when it is out, when the portal is activated for change of institution, I will let you know. And please don't let anybody deceive you that change of institution or course can be done online. No, they will just collect your money and eat. It has to be a JAMB CBT center, because you need your thumbprint. Okay, you can't just change, anyone can just do it and it might not be you. You get my point? So you need your thumbprint. So it is a CBT center that you do change of course and change of institution. Okay, so that's that. So sit down, analyze your JAMB score well with your parents. If they say, okay, stay home and study harder for next year, fine. If they say, oh, okay, let us look for another course, just enter school and go, fine. You sit down now and start analyzing courses and schools that will accept that your particular JAMB score. If it's below 200, you want to go to Polytechnic, you want to go to, there are even some schools that accept below 200 from 195, 190. LASU has a cutoff mark of 190 above. So go to the site and read about that. So analyze your JAMB score. That's the first important thing to do. So when you have analyzed it, okay, you decide your score is high, you want to go, you are going to start preparing, you want to change your institution. When you do that, the next thing is it is compulsory to upload your O-level results, your WAEC, your NECO. Yes, you say, oh, what of us are just sitting for WAEC? When your results are out, immediately your results are out, please do upload it. We do uploading of WAEC results. Okay, so contact DTW tutorials. My WhatsApp details, you see it on our profile bio. Contact us. We do uploading of WAEC results. We also help you check your WAEC results when it's out. We have the WAEC scratch card, everything. Just contact us. That's our services we do for students, okay, at a fee. All right, now, so upload your WAEC results, important for everyone, so you don't miss your admission chances, okay, because your school will connect to JAMB portal to draw your WAEC results to process your admission. So it is important. People have missed up I'm telling you, people have missed admission. Even you score 300, you don't upload your WAEC results, you will miss your admission. So it's important that you upload your WAEC results. Now, the next thing now, obtain your post-UTME form online from the university website. It's a lot of students say, how do I obtain the form? Now, some schools post-UTME forms are out. Yesterday, I did of Covenant University. I showed you. I went to DTW tutorials. The school site, the website is there. And you click on it, you go to the school website, you click start. It is very easy and straightforward to do, okay? But if you cannot do it, you can contact me. I will charge you. All right, it's not that when you say, ma, but the school said 2,000 and you are telling me I will pay this for my time. You have to pay for my time to do it for you. But it is very easy for you to do. Just follow the instructions. Go to the site. They'll tell you upload this, upload your passport, upload your WAEC. Some schools will even ask you for your WAEC certificate. If you don't have your WAEC certificate, don't worry, we can also get that for you online. Instead of you going to your secondary school and start waiting and doing all that, we can get that for you and send to you. Do everything online at a fee. Okay, so that's how you obtain. You go to the university website. Don't let anyone deceive you that come to the school, come to my office and pay, and and the person is not it has to be online. You will receive an email from the school. Okay, so you can do this yourself. But if you are still scared, you can contact me. I will do it for you at a fee. Now, the next thing is to prepare for your post-UTME exam or physical screening. Some schools do post-UTME exams. Schools like Unilag, Unilorin, OOU, several other schools do exams. So you have to try to write down, get their past questions. All right. Very soon I'm going to be uploading some physical past questions, okay, on our DTW website. We have Unilag here, okay. There's Unilag past questions here on our site, okay, and very soon I'll be uploading others that we have. You can see the Unilag past questions here. The physical copy is a booklet, okay, and it's authentic. All right, so and later I'll be uploading, or when I get them, I will let you know. I will do a video about it, of the schools that we have, okay, for you to purchase yours to prepare for your exam. Some schools don't do post-UTME exam. It's just physical screening. And what is physical screening? Physical screening is just bringing your documentation, bringing everything, your birth certificate. So let your parents start if you don't have one, let them start going to do one for you, and those names should align to your name. Everything should align to your name, because your name is what's aligned to your JAMB. When you are registering, you use your name. So all those your certificates, they will also ask for WAEC certificate. If you don't have that, contact us. We can do that for you. Even if you lost maybe your exam number, you've done WAEC before and you don't know how to get we retrieve all those services. We do it. Okay, so that's what you do. Okay, so those preparing for post-UTME exam, get your past questions and start reading. Please also don't let everything that you've been reading preparing for JAMB fly out of your mind. Start reading, especially schools like UI, OAUs. Be reading. Okay, and I'll be creating groups for those particular schools very soon. Now, the last final thing is to get all your admission documentations ready, which is what I've just been saying, your WAEC certificate, your birth certificate, local, state of origin, all those and all that. So this is all you need, okay? So anything you need, WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp details is in our profile bio, video description box of this video. Follow our channel, so we are updating you instantly. You are seeing it of every school post-UTME form that comes out. I'll be doing a video and I'll be sharing it. All right, you are blessed and you are destined to win. Take care.